to HCN Evening News Bulletin with me, Clinton D'Souza, and here are the top stories. A section of people and some social groups who walked out from CZMP public hearing on Thursday evening at 6 marched to the collector's office in South on Friday morning, demanding time to speak on the draft Goa Coastal Zone Management Plan. They have even submitted a memorandum with their demands to the South Goa collector. However, they were sent home with an assurance that they can submit their suggestion in writing before 5 p.m. of the 15th of July. Watch this story.
पॉलिटिशियन आसा तांकां वोट केल्या सो हे डिस्क्रिमिनेशन आतां व्हडलें डिस्क्रिमिनेशन गरीब लोकांचो ह्या गव्हर्मेंटान मातसो सुद्दां पडून गेला म्हाका दिसता गरीब लोकांक सोपोवपाक हो गव्हर्मेंट भायर सरला
तुम चलना थिंगा खाली चर्चिला थिंग व्हड सीट दिला बसपाक आनी बारीक लोकांक बारके बदलले मिनिस्टर म्हणटा ताका त्याची दुसऱ्या बसोवपाक जालें न्हू तो कोण ताका दुसरी भाशेचे तो टॅक्स
ताका कुडी आनी दिला तो मोठ म्हणटा तो येयल्लो
ते गरीब कित्याक ते आमचे उद्देशीत सीट मेवता आमी वोट घाले जाल्यार ताका सीट कशें मेवतलें
मॅम तो तरी थिंगा डिबेटी आसलो म्हणल्यार जें चलतालें तुमगेले ग्रिवेन्सीस आयकपा आयिल्लो बाकी लिडर नाय थिंगा तो तरी आसलो खंयच्या सिटी पूण तेणें तरी आयकली ना थिंगा बसून
आयकला पूण आमी तर तें वोटींग करनाय जाल्यार तांकां ते व्हडले सीट बसून ते ग्रेस जायनाय आमगे हेजे वोटिंगाचे ते व्हडले जाताय
आमकां आमगे शेपाय शेमागे शेतां आमगे पुर्वजांगे शेतां आमकां जाय आमकां सांबाळपा जाय आमगे भुरग्यां बाळां लागून आमकां सांबाळपा जाय
Serial number is 404. If you go by the chart, my number is 444. So हांवें पाजल कित्याक सो हांवें खंयचे नंबराचेर वचपाचें हांवें तिका सांगलें हांव 444 नंबराचेर गेलो आनी म्हाका दिसलें म्हजो नंबर फाल्यांच म्हणून ते पासत हांव घार गेलो आनी घार येवन परतून सकाळीं हांव उलोवपा येयलें जाल्यार कन्क्लूड केलो सो हांवें तिका सांगलें तुका दिसना तुवें मुगे रायट वयलस म्हणून ती म्हणना ती म्हणटा आमी सांगूंक ना तुमकां आमी कन्क्लूड करतले वगैरे आमगेलें हियरींग चालू आसतलें वेरेज तेणें सांगलेलें तुमी जेवून ये च्या पिवन ये कितें तूं टॉयलेटीन वचोन ये बट हियरींग वील कंटिन्यू तुमकां मागीर चान्स पडटा म्हूण सांगलेलें आतां तिणें म्हाका कितें सांगलें हांवें सांगलें आमकां कितें प्रेजेंटेशन दिवपा जाय जाल्यार आमी केन्ना पासून दिवपा शकता तिणें म्हाका सांगलां बाय टुडे इवनींग बाय टुडे इवनींग जिसडे मे आज तेंच्या वेबसायटीचेर मी आख्खे मिनट्साचे अपलोड करतले आनी यू ऑल हॅव फूल रायट टू ऑब्जेक्ट द मिनट्स सो तुमकां म्हणटा एक्सेस आहा तुमकां म्हणटा चान्स आहा ऑब्जेक्ट करपाक ते मिनट्साचे टील 15th of June.
The much awaited draft CZMP public hearing scheduled on Thursday ended with controversy on the wee hours of Friday morning. Many speakers were left behind without speaking, while some adding suggestions during this meeting. Both the meetings saw suggestions and heated moments, also especially with regards to preparation to the alleged unorganized public hearing. Watch to what the social activists from both North and South have to say on the recent concluded public meeting.
काल जे पळय पब्लीक हियरींग जाल्लें तें कायद्या भायर जालेलें आसा कित्याक आमी पॉयंट ऑफ ऑर्डर काडलेलो आनी कलेक्टर जी आशिल्ली सावथ गोवा तिका आमी सांगलेली की बाबा कर्फ्यू आसा NSA आसा कोर्टाची हियरींग चलता की हे पब्लीक हियरींग घेवचें न्हू म्हणून सो ह्या आदाराचेर तूं पब्लीक हियरींग होल्डार दवर आनी दुसरी कन्विनियंट दिसा घे पूण कलेक्टरान आयकूंक ना तेजे उपरांत पब्लीक हियरींग स्टार्ट जालें जेवण ना सोशल डिस्टन्सींग कांय ना लोकांची धांदोड जाली लोक भिरांतीन आसा तशेंच करून पब्लीक हियरींग गेलें जेन्ना पब्लीक हियरींग 6 वरांचेर पावलें तेन्ना लोकांनी बोबड मारपाक लागले बाबा आमी गालजेबागच्यान लोक आयला ते कशे पावतले कित्याक पब्लीक ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन ना सो सगळे जाण उठून गेले पूण कलेक्टरान जे 6 वरांचेर 19 स्पिकर आशिल्ले तेजे उपरांत जेन्ना लोक गेलो ते फटाफट नंबर घेवपाक लागले आनी अशें करून दे रीच टू 500 विथीन 1 आवर ह्या टायमार कलेक्टरान सगळे स्पिकरांक फोन मारलो जेन्ना फोन मारलो तेन्ना थोडे जाणांक जायते जाणांक येवंक मेळना आनी थोडे जाण परत येयले आतां जेन्ना ते थोडे स्पिकर परत येयले ते थोडे जाण मेंबर्स ऑफ गोंयचो रापणकाराचो एकवट आशिल्लो GA आनी MLA जे आशिल्लो तेणें कलेक्टराक रिक्वेस्ट केलो पळय तुमी पब्लीक हियरींग काबार करता इतले लेट लोकांक स्पिकर आशिल्ले अरावंड 900 पूण हार्डली टू माय इन्फॉर्मेशन आय थिंक मे बी 50 ऑफ देम स्पोक एटलिस्ट जे लोक पळय तांकां मेवना उलोवपाक तांकां थोडो टायम दिवचो आपणाची सजेशन ऑब्जेक्शन घेवपाक आनी कलेक्टर वॉज कायंड इनफ टू एक्सेप्ट आवर डिमांड्स एंड शी हॅज गिवन टायम up to 15 July till 5:30 to submit written objections from the speakers who have registered on the public hearing and also to finalize the minutes of the meeting on this date of 15 July at before.
कालची हियरिंग जी जाला कोस्टल झोन मॅनेजमेंट प्लॅन नॉर्थ गोवा हियरिंग जी जाला पळय ती ॲक्च्युली पळोवपाक गेल्यार हियरिंग न्हू ती चोरांचो बाजार जाल्लो आसलो ॲक्च्युली पळोवपाक गेल्यार हियरिंग रातचे 3 पर्यंत 2 पर्यंत थंयसर कंडक्ट केल्ले आसा आनी सांगपाची गजाल म्हणटा ती काल जे सिच्युएशन जाल्लें म्हणल्यार आमी जशें की थंयसर हियरिंग करपाक लागून थंयसर डिपार्टमेंट नाशिल्ले कोणूच रिस्पॉन्ड करिनासलो तांकां आमी फक्त सिंपल क्वेश्चन विचारताले की बाबा 1000 लोकांची ऑब्जेक्शनां कन्सिडर केला काय ना काय म्हणून हय काय ना म्हणपाक सुद्दां थंयसर जायनाशिल्लें सो वी फील दॅट थंयसर हियरिंग जावंक नाशिल्लें फक्त येवन बेश्टे टायमपास केला ते सरकारान आनी जे CM सांगता प्रेझेंटली की सगळें बरें स्मूथ चल्लें म्हणून स्मूथ कितें चल्लें लोक थंयसर येवन हियरिंग करपाक लागून आयिल्ले काय लोक थंयसर TV नाजाल्यार आयनॉक्सान मुवी पळोवपाक लागून आयिल्ले म्हणजे वन सायडेड कम्युनिकेशन चल्लेलें थंयसर आनी दुसरी गोश्ट म्हणून सांगूंक सोदता आज तुमकां खबर आसा की कोवीड सिच्युएशनान इतले क्रायसीस चल्लेले आसतना कितले पार्टिसिपेशन आशिल्लें देर वे नो पार्टिसिपेशन कितले खाली आनी जे पार्टिसिपेशन आशिल्लें तुमी रातचे 3 पर्यंत सरकार घडयलाय तुमी रातचो CMान ओत घेतला रातचो डेथ जे कोविडाक जाताले पळय तेय रातचेच जाताले आनी आज सरकार जे हियरिंग कन्सिडर करता तेय रातचें म्हळ्यार आज सरकारान दाखोवन दिला की सरकार दिसाचो काम करिना सरकार रातचो काम करता
आम साउथ कलेक्टरान when we went on health grounds लागून आम गेल्ली थिंगा to tell them that pandemic we are inviting third wave by mass gathering तेन्ना तेणी सांगिल्लो madam the collector I'm talking madam we are going to follow the SOP what was the SOP followed over there सगळे लोक थिंग registration सगळे there was no queue proper queue nothing सगळे एक मुखले तेंगताले who is responsible tell me something the thermal gun checking होता है is that 100% proof that the patient is not COVID positive उसके साथ there was no food arrangement no bottle of water there were senior citizens who were over there dengue health diabetic people there was no provision of anything done over there
everyone went home they still continued the meeting in the night at around 9 o'clock in the night few people came and spoke why was that done when everyone took a call at that point of time that 6 o'clock the meeting will get over everyone dispersed off every citizen dispersed off then how come that meeting was held in the night in South Goa so today many of the South Goa people have come here demanding that you have not given us the right to speak and you have just ticked marks saying that meeting Kabazali everyone went home.
The Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant said the draft CZMP public hearing at both the venue's SGPDA grounds in Margao and Kampal Parade ground in Panjim were conducted smoothly and systematically. He added that he has spoken to both the collectors and respective officials about the meeting. Watch.
CZMP के हियरिंग जे आसा पळय काल दोनूय कलेक्टरांनी व्यवस्थीत विचार घेतला तांचे रिपोर्ट जे हांव सबमीट करपाक जाय पळय ते सगळे ते रिपोर्ट बट प्रिपरेशन वॉज नॉट गुड
लोकांचे म्हणणे आसले प्रिपरेशन सारकें नासलें
सगळी कडेन पॅन्डल घातलेले सगळी कडेन सगळ्यो सोयी आसल्यो
प्लॅन बी तिका सारकें दाखोवंक ना
हांवें फॉलो केलें हांवें तेजेर रिव्यू घेतलो त्यानंतर दोनूय कलेक्टरांनी व्यवस्थीत रित्या
This former state and Lusophone Games volleyball player had decided to take professional plumbing for her self-reliance. Rather than to do a government job and be obligated to someone in her career, Christy Dias won several games for her state and country, but her real victory is how she played the game of her life. Today, she is definitely a big inspiration for the youth of Goa. This is a special story of a volleyball champion to be a proud plumber. Watch. going ahead with this special story today, you are Goa's daughters who is now teaching all Goans a lesson and to take our future in our own hands. From being a state level Lusophonia games and also state level volleyball players, now you have taken as a plumbing profession. So what you have to say on that first of all?
The thing what happens once my graduation, I have done my my career into a sports only, and I wanted to be somewhere meaning like into a sports only. So I have done my NIS followed by BP8, that is 2 years at Aurangabad. I tried for government job in school. I worked 5 months St. Joseph Nagua Convent. But just because of influence, I could not get a job. So I was trying to get my government job. So like everywhere there's an influence. So like I was not getting job. So I wanted to be reliable on my own. So I took this step as a plumbing as other skill.
Do you think that today's sportsmen are not getting that much of encouragement? That is why like you have been a state level and Lusophonia champion, a player as well for the Lusophonia games. Do you think that in today's era, in today's time, that sportsmen are not recognized and you need a godfather or super godfather to have a good life in future?
Yes, till now the sports persons are not given any opportunity. Whether they play for state, whether they play for India in Goa, they are not given any opportunity. The sports persons are just loitering around. Once they have into a sport, they get a medal and all that. This was my condition. Yes, so I want to request the sports minister, Goa sports minister, overall India sports minister. This should not be the condition of the sports person. After giving them name, fame, everything.
What do you have to say now? Now you have been a volleyball player and now you must be knowing several players or so. Is the situation similar to what you have faced with them as well?
The situation is almost similar. Almost meaning I can say the sports person condition at present will be almost 90% similar like me.
Why did you choose plumbing as a career for you?
So actually plumbing as a career, this answer even I don't have, but I can say something like this was a God plan where I took this step to be a plumber. And next, a guy named Subhash, he supported me. That's the reason I'm here today.
Most of the plumbers that we have seen across the world as well, they are mostly the men. But you being a woman, so what you have to say on that? Was it a kind of a difficult step for you or it just went with the flow? Or what do you have to say on that?
Starting, if anybody starts with a different skill, it will be difficult. But once you're used to it, I don't think it's difficult.
Now, being a sports person, there are many out there also who are looking to make their career in sports. What will be your advice for them?
No, I'll not say don't go for sports. Yes, go for sports. But only thing I request the sports minister, the minister of state, support the sports. Even they'll get a good result. Even the sports person will be somewhere in their life. I have not stopped playing. Just because I have not got any opportunity into job line, I have not stopped playing. I still play for state.
Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant on Thursday said that he has directed the Murwagaon Planning Development Authority to exclude Shantinagar area as a parking area of Dabolim International Airport in the ODP to safeguard around 500 existing houses in the area. The Chief Minister said that parking for the airport can be taken up in other open spaces which can be identified and later shown as parking for Goa Airport on MPDA's ODP.
आमची जी घरां आसात ती एअरपोर्ट पार्किंग अशी ओडीपीचेर मार्क केलेली आसली. थंयसर एक 400-500 घरां आसली आनी हो एक सिरियस इशू जाल्लो आनी सगळ्या मदीं एक भंयसो निर्माण जाल्लो. सीएमान PDA MSक सांगून ती जागो बेगींतल्या बेगीन डिनोटिफाय करून पार्किंग डिनोटिफाय करून आमची जी घरां आसा ती मार्क करून हो इशू सॉल्व जातलो अशें आमकां सांगलेलें आसा.
श्रद्धा महालेन तो इशू रेज केलो. PDAचोय प्लॅन ओपन आसा. सगळ्या जवळपास थंयसर ताज्या म्हणण्या प्रमाणे 400 ते 500 घरां आसा. थंयसर PDAन ताका पार्किंग म्हणून लायिल्ली. पण ती 50 वर्सां पासून लोकांची घरां एक्झिस्टींग आसा. लोकांक रिलीफ दिवपा खातीर हांवेनूय बी ऑलरेडी सांगलां, परत एकदा रिकन्सिडर करून तो पार्किंग लॉट म्हणून तो काडून उडोवचो, जेणे करून तो इन फ्युचर थंयसरल्या घरां खातीर तो प्रॉब्लेम उरचो न्ही. तेंच्यांनी पार्किंग वेगवेगळे जागा ज्या जाग्यार ओपन स्पेस आसा, पार्किंग आसा थंय दाखोवची. हे फावटी पिडीएक सांगलां की ती पार्किंग आहा पळय, पार्किंग म्हणून जसं तेंच्यांनी मेन्शन केलां तें काडून थंय ऑलरेडी एट प्रेझेंट एक्झिस्टींग रेजिडेन्शियल हावजीस आसा हें मेन्शन करचें. मागीरचो विशय तांचो रेग्युलेशन येता तो मागीरचो विशय आसा, बट एट प्रेझेंट एक्झिस्टींग हावजीस आर देर हें तेंच्यांनी मेन्शन करचें हें सांगलेलें आहा ताका, आनी ही वील कन्सिडर फॉर.
Well, that's all we have in our today's bulletin. For more updates, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel at HCN Goa or stay alerted on our Facebook and Twitter at OHRR Goa. Until then, take care and goodbye.